Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your device supports AR Core and has Google Play services for AR. This is the only way to run true AR on Android. Once done, open the AR app you selected and accept camera and motion permissions so the system can map space. Next, point at a flat surface and hold the phone steady for a few seconds until surface markers appear. This quick step initializes plane detection and anchors, so your virtual objects will behave realistically. Now place your first object by tapping the highlighted plane. You should feel the app snap it into place. You can pinch to scale and rotate with 2 fingers. Do that to match real-world proportions. Make sure to add an anchor so the item stays fixed as you move. Anchors transfer tracking to the AR service and prevent drifting. Also tweak lighting and occlusion if available, because good light and proper occlusion make virtual items look grounded and believable. Finish by interacting with the object, trigger animations, record video, or take photos, then share them. If your app supports saving anchors or cloud anchors, export them now to preserve placements across sessions and devices. Finally, verify persistence by closing and reopening the app. The anchor should reappear. If tracking degrades, restart the app, wipe the camera lens, and move to a more textured, better-lit surface. These quick fixes usually restore stable plane detection and tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.